Toyota Motor Corp said on Wednesday it would recall 6.5 million vehicles globally to fix a defect in the power window switch in models including the Yaris Vitz, Subcompact, Corolla Camry and others. Toyota said modules in the power window master switch may have been lubricated inconsistently during the manufacturing process. Debris caused by wear from the electrical contact points can accumulate and cause a short circuit. That in turn could cause the switch assembly to overheat and melt and potentially lead to a fire, it said.